And Brooke, yeah, no, she doesn't have to if she wanted to. She still doesn't want to. She's like, she snores, but I like her in my bed.
Like having a cat in hers. You know what I told them 8:30.
I'm still trying to get out of what movie are you going to watch?
She's good. She's like,
they kind of lost me when they had the horse running along the train, and yeah, I was like, all right.
It's quirky, too quirky when Johnny
I like chocolate right before I brush my teeth, right before I go to bed. And first thing when I wake up. All of them. You're addicted. It's like your mom was smart.
If they only had Diet Pop from now until next December, I would buy every single one they had. I do it routinely with my daughters. I buy everyone. I'll be climbing up on the shelf, and I'll ask them.
my boss's favorite.
And I will ask a tall guy to come to this. Unless they have some bread stuff.
Yeah, I'm always afraid of really going to get something like that.
So I just eat them all out. Yes, I got it. What? 500 calories. That's a bad thing to be addicted to.
But it makes her so happy. It did. But it makes her so happy.
Do you ever take selfies? Do you ever take selfies?
I don't take good selfies.
I take selfies.
Bad selfie. That's a good selfie. That's a good selfie. When I take selfie, the only thing that's lit is my nose. Yeah, my body's like this big and my head's like too. Yeah. Mine does. Doesn't help. Doesn't help.